What's up, guys? Today is Friday. Finally, Friday. Today's the very best day of the week because today is Snap-on Friday. Bill is letting Hamilton look at his 3-tooth ratchet that he's had forever, so hopefully today Bill upgrades. So you guys, come take a look, see what he's got today. Them fine tooth ratchet there.
Sounds like a fine Chevrolet V8 engine missing over here. Hey.
Missing a few, huh?
Yeah.
Bill, I know that thing's got sentimental value. You've talked about it before.
Yeah.
You still change out the green handle. Don't worry about the green handle.
Bill said that ratchet was struggling eating coleslaw. He needs one that can bite an apple. A lot more teeth. Needs a lot more teeth than that. Oh, look at that thing. Cool.
I got that the other day. That's pretty neat. Have y'all seen them? Figured Joe done showed that yet. Put it mount on the wall. Pivot it at any angle.
Oh.
Pretty neat. Get the spotlight. You see, is it bright, Wally?
Yeah.
Alright. We got flood. Then you got flood.
Oh, goodness
And then you
gracious.
press it down.
Strobe light, you can have parties.
I can't see your face. It's them burnt holes in my retina.
My face or the light?
No, your face. It's
Face.
just a big blob now.
I think pretty neat though. Ain't that bad heavy. Not bad. Just looking at it, you think it would be, but
Well, that's pretty nice.
I think it says it runs 4 or 5 hours on a 5.0 battery.
Hey,
They run for 2 weeks on the 12.0 then.
I don't see how. As bright as that something on is, I'd figure about 4 minutes. I still can't see your face.
We're talking about the light.
That's what I'm talking about.
look at there. You
That's
got a
the Stylus
scanner.
Ultra.
Oh, that's the Ultra.
That's a trade-in on another trade-in had this week.
Well, look at all the Milwaukee stuff. Blue point air hammer. What is that?
That's Sue. Better in back. I'm sending it off to get it fixed for somebody. On Snap-on on Sue. Looks just like the PT850 is on it.
Yep. Well, I'll be darned.
Don't work though.
Uh-oh. That ain't a good day.
No. Wally, what you find back there?
It's Matco.
Mac Ratchet.
That one's got 1.5 teeth.
That's a high quality.
Golly, that's
there,
rough.
boy. There's people that like them Mac Ratchets.
I had one that was.
You have to feed that pudding. It couldn't even eat coleslaw.
No, this one is like IV. It don't chew.
You got it on a drip.
Something like that. God almighty.
God almighty, he said.
I don't blame them for trading that in.
Yep.
At least tell me they upgraded to a good ratchet.
Oh, you buy them a Snap-on.
Oh, which one?
The flex seal.
They're like this.
Oh, the yellow handle.
Well, he did good now. He upgraded.
Yeah, he's
By
on
about 4,000 teeth.
He got ink on there. He's like, oh. You take trades? I said, yeah, we take trades all the time. He's like, you might not give me nothing for this one. We'll look at it though. I said, well, go get it. He wouldn't got it. I looked at it. Ratchet looks, I mean, decent shape.
Yeah.
Then you go, I was like, we'll give you a little bit for it. Ain't gonna be a whole bunch. But I asked him, I said, how much you want out of it? He's like, shoot, by looking at the difference, he said, if you give me $20 on it, then I'll take it. I said, all right, we'll do it.
Golly. Good enough. Sold.
So would you take $20 for it?
Yeah, you can have it for $20.
I don't reckon I need it. As picky as you are,
a good lube.
picky as you are about ratchets, you better leave that alone.
No, I just stay in the pickup.
He's cried and
studying.
cried and cried about every ratchet he's picked
What
up.
does he cry for?
Especially that Matco ratchet he just got.
Yeah.
Crying and crying.
Why's he crying?
I broke it.
Broke it.
Yeah, I broke the daggone Matco ratchet. I ain't had it, what, 3 weeks, 4 weeks? That.
What was he doing with it?
Working. Oh crap, it's bound up. There it goes. Yeah, I don't know if I want that
Wow.
for $20.
Hey, don't be lying to us. I'm saying working. I mean, you let Bill borrow it or something you brought back broke. I might understand that.
What are you trying to say?
You ain't even dirty. I know what you work because you're not green and black. You're just all black.
That's normal, ain't it?
So you ain't.
I just cleaned up today, so.
Lies. They don't come out that easy.
Oh, Lord.
Yep.
I changed shirts before I come on the truck. Will you accept that?
Been a long time since Saturday.
Well,
That's when he had his weekly bath.
weekly bath.
No, that's Sunday morning. Get it right.
You see Wally at the car wash, pressure washing his clothes, getting all the grease and oil off of
No.
them.
I ain't gonna worry about that no more. Just throw them in a
Uniform.
pile in there.
Uniform company takes
Uniform
care of
get
that.
them
That's
now.
it. Chunk them sun guns in a pile.
That's gonna pick Wally's up and the oil's gonna drain out the bottom of them.
That's how they change the
Like
oil
that
in them
grease
trucks.
rag?
They just squeeze them above their trucks. So when they gonna come out with the super strong ones?
The brute.
Yep.
I'm not sure. I have to try to call them. I'm not sure if anybody got the brutes yet or not. I'm sure they're out there somewhere or another.
Yeah.
I haven't heard of
Come out.
anybody yet. But I'll find out the answer by next week.
All right.
I've been waiting to get my hands
16,
on
9
one.
inches, dude.
Yeah.
17 still mine.
They're supposed to be
16 and a
fine.
half.
Yeah. They got a thicker head, so you know they'll be able to hold up a lot more pressure on them.
That's right.
So you can't change out the guts in that one. And
Not to the 80. The head's gonna be the same size, but the teeth on the Pollard is gonna be different. That's gonna be where the problem's gonna come in.
so
at.
what's my options? What are you saying?
I can swap you out for a whole nother ratchet.
You don't have a socket up here.
We can see. I think the handles are a different size on the inside of these and them. But I can get you one. You want green or you want orange?
You got the yellow? I mean, can you get the high vid?
I should be able to.
Can you give me one of the high vid?
All right.
Same length.
Same length?
Yeah.
All the ones we got now is the long one. Long shaft, like what the girl from Bishop said about Wally.
Special order bill.
Special order bill, SOB.
Special order bill.
He's back. That's abuse, what causes that.
Abuse?
Yeah.
Well, throwing across the shelf's no abuse, is it?
No, that ain't abuse, but them impact marks on there is abuse.
No, that's from my
Yep.
ratchet. That's
Check it out.
This is the only impact that's been on that.
Bull crap.
You don't want to see my impact sockets,
How-
and them son of a guns are
how-
mudstream like
That
that.
little ratchet right there has got more than what Wally got in it on.
I believe that.
Oh, Lord have mercy.
Yeah. We don't swap that one out, but I'm gonna sell you some impact sockets since you know what the impact is, obviously.
Well, I don't know nothing about the impact. Never used one.
Unbelievable, Wally.
Pitiful, ain't it?
Yeah.
Unacceptable.
Pitiful. See, no impact marks.
Well, like I said, that's from the ratchet.
Impact
That's,
marks.
you know, that little detent bar when I go off in there, that's what caused that.
Detent ball don't go in the
Oh, yeah, it
corner.
does right there. I'll show you mine.
I don't want to see your detent ball. Wally always got to cross the line every
You
time.
just crossed the line.
Every time Wally crossing the line.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah, you need to sell him some impact sockets.
Yeah. I'm about to come check out all 14 of your socket doors in there.
Then medium well.
Yeah.
What is the damage on them son of a guns?
$9,000. I'm sure it's a rough one. Stuff.
I don't need them.
Everybody else can
Just
buy
keep
them
getting them warranted
way
out.
cheaper than
Everybody
that.
else is 198, but yours is about 400.
Get right, have them. You said you're gonna have to come in and check out all 14 of it.
Yeah, all 14. He got one socket in each drawer. So.
No, they're all scattered out.
Well, I gotta get the.
No,
That's
no,
right.
hang on. You go in there right now.
Yeah, they're actually picked up
You
right
go in
now.
there right
Oh, they're
now.
right
There
there.
ain't a single
And we
tool of
washed
mine on
the
the
shop
floor.
floor.
I washed the shop floor.
Like I had to,
I
I had
washed
to make
my
sure I was
boxes and
awake
cleaned
and
up all
not
my tools.
dreaming because he was actually cleaning up the other day.
Yeah, Clay checked my fever.
Yeah, I did. And I felt it
And
to
his
see if he had a
heartbeat.
heart.
Said I still have a heart and my temperature, I guess it's normal.
I thought he had the damn swine flu or something. I don't know. I was going to try to get him to CDC and figure out what's wrong with him.
While he's going through menopause or
Just
something,
CDC
he's
would be
like
scared of
changing
me.
his life.
Wait, that rhymes.
CDC would be scared of me. That's right, Wally.
Y'all write a song,
We
Wally.
don't know. We don't know what's wrong with
That
him.
would be a country
we
song
dang
and
sure
I'm
ain't
not
got no
down.
cure for him.
That's it. Yep. You need to buy them impact sockets, Wally.
How much are they?
198.
Well, then weren't you right there's mushing down there?
Yeah.
Okay.
That's what they're for. Getting wild, Bill.
Shirt.
You've been back here quiet today.
Ain't got nothing to buy.
Must not feel good.
Oh, I'm feeling fine.
Wally just getting on your nerves.
Yeah. That ain't nothing to work. Thank God it's Friday.
So Wally's getting his, what is it, 17 millimeter,
18.
18 millimeter socket warranted, and then actually gonna buy
Yeah.
the sockets that he needs.
I don't need them. I just use these. We got a warranty for it, ain't it?
I guess so. All right, guys. Well, that's our video today. Hopefully, we'll find out about the brutes next week. Maybe we can get one and let y'all guys take a look at it. If you like this video, be sure to hit that thumbs up and click that subscribe button right down there. Because why, Bill?
Totally free.
What we got to do now?
I like to work.